Hello there, Miss Aude here. So today this video is for my second graders and my third graders. I will show you how to access our online math manipulatives, and for today I just want you to explore it. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome or Safari, whichever website you use, and go ahead and go to my website through Middleton School Loop. Search Middleton School Loop, click Middleton Street Elementary, click on the Middleton Street School logo. Look for me under faculty. If you need a more step-by-step, there's another video that says getting started on this YouTube channel. And go ahead and click Miss Aude's website. And for my second graders and my third graders, you'll click grade 2 and you'll click math. So this is for second grade math. Right here you have Unifix cubes that you can use to add, and all you do is you click the Unifix cube, drag it. So click, hold, then drag. Click, hold, then drag. However many you want. You can link them up. You see the yellow light and they link up. So click, drag, link up. Click, hold, drag, link. Click, hold it, drag it, link it. Okay? And if you want to get rid of all of that, you can press this button. If you just want to get rid of one, you can just use the eraser. But if you want to get rid of all of them, use the red circle with arrow. Okay, so that's the Unifix cube. For the other one, scroll down. This is your place value mat, or your 10 frame mat, sorry. And all you do is the same thing as the Unifix cube. You click, hold, then drag. Click, hold, then drag. Click, hold the click down, and then drag the button over. Okay. You can turn the 10 frame around. You can add one more 10 frame. That way you have 20 frames. So you have 5, 10, 15, 20. And this should help you with adding up to 20. Or if you can replicate it, you can add all the way up to 100. All right, so here is the 120 frame. So you can count by 1, 2, 3. You can practice that, or you can practice, click the paint can, click a color, okay, and that goes away. And you can count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And so on and so forth. If you made a mistake, let's say you accidentally highlighted 19, you just go to the eraser, erase that button, and go back to the paint can and choose the same color and continue your counting. Okay? If you want to clear the whole board, go ahead and just click that, undo button, that red circle with an arrow. This is just a circle. You can just put them around the numbers. Like if, I want to count by 10 starting at 2. So 2, 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92. So these are just markers for you when you're counting all the way up to 120. Okay, so that's for my second graders. For the third graders, I can clear the board. For the third graders, we'll go back to home and we'll click third grade, grade 3. We'll click math. Hopefully it's there. And this is a rec and rec. I believe there's 100 here. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So you could drag that 10 like that, or you could grab 5 like that. This one you'll have to just drag and go. So just drag and go. Oops, I missed one. So let me click here and go. So let's say I just want one. I just click one and move it over. Say, oops, and click it and leave it there. If I want to, I click it, hold, then drag it. Then I go 3, click it, hold, and drag it. Okay, if I want all 10, then I go all the way to the 10th one and drag it. And you can play with that, explore that. This one are dice. So I'll take 1, 2, 3. You can go, oops, sorry. Let's see how many you can. I think you can go infinitely many, however many you need. And you can click this button and it will roll it for you. If you want to take away, I keep doing that. If you want to take away one, use the eraser. If you want to get rid of all of them, do that. So for my third graders, we usually use the dice and we try to get 3 or 4 dice and we try to get to 50, right? How many more do you need to get to 50? Some of you are working, how many more do you need to get to 30? If you're still working on how many more do you need to get to 20, you will only need 2 dice. Okay, so for today, second graders and third graders, I'd like for you to explore these manipulatives. Third graders, you can go on and check out the second grade link, and second graders, you can go on and check the third grade links. You guys would probably benefit from both manipulatives. Okay, all right, toodaloo. Hopefully we see each other soon. Bye.